Hello everyone, this is our project NeuroSense, an AI-based website developed to predict the early risk of Alzheimer's disease. The main aim of this project is to help identify possible memory or cognitive problems at an early stage. Usually, Alzheimer's requires hospital visits, medical scans, and etc., which can be expensive and not easily available for everyone. So, with this project, we created a simple website where users can take cognitive tests online, and based on their performances, the system predicts the risk level using AI. This is the home page of our website. Here we have home, dashboard, questionnaire, memory game, monitoring, and technology. From here, the user can understand the purpose of the platform and start the assessment process. This website is designed in a simple and user friendly way so that anyone can use it easily. Before, the user should register and log into the system. Creating an account helps us to save the data of the user and previous test record. This is useful because the system can compare current and past results to check if there are any changes in cognitive performance over time. And after logging, the users can take different cognitive tests. These tests are designed to check important brain functions like memory, attention, reasoning, and language skills. For example, there may be a memory based task where the user has to remember words and which is present in our memory games section, word recall. And remember words, this is like to test logical thinking and language tasks to check responsibility. These tests are simple for the user, but they provide useful information about the user's cognitive condition. Once the user completes the test, the system collects the response and analyzes the performance. It looks at things like how accurately the user answered, how well they remembered the information, and how they performed in reasoning and language tasks. All this information is then prepared as input for the AI model. That is this questionnaire section and memory game section. These both are the user inputs of the system. After that, the AI model processes the test data and predicts the Alzheimer's risk level. We use machine learning to identify the patterns in the user's response. Based on these patterns, the system gives a risk score such as low, medium, or high risk. This helps in giving early warning signs if any cognitive decline is detected. And in our dashboard, we display the result. The dashboard displays the user's risk score and overall assessment result in simple format. It also shows the previous test history and also the trends of the previous test. And overall, NeuroSense is a simple and intelligent web platform that helps in the early prediction of Alzheimer's risk. Instead of depending only on expensive medical methods, this system uses online cognitive tests and AI to provide easy way of early monitoring. This helps the user become aware of possible risk earlier and seek medical advice at the right time. And let us get more deeper into this website. Questionnaire. In this section, we have a set of questions. We need to answer these questions. These are like based on lifestyle and behavioral questions. These questions are designed to understand whether the user is experiencing any common signs of cognitive decline, such as forgetting things often, difficulty in concentrating, confusing in certain tasks, and trouble in remembering recent events. These questions user can answer easily without any medical knowledge. Based on the answer, the system gathers useful information about the user's condition. This information is then combined with the cognitive test result and sent to AI model for analysis. By including this questionnaire, the system can understand the user's condition better and improve the accuracy of the final risk prediction. Here, user answers some basic questions about memory and daily activities. So let us try these questions. Do you have difficulty remembering names of people you just met? Let us keep this. And we need to answer these questions. After this, we have lifestyle questions. We also need to answer this. And after clicking on analysis of risk score, we get such risk score here. And then we also have memory game, right? We can play this memory game. See, here we displayed set of 5 words, and the timer is set to 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, the user should have a glance on these words. And we also give 15 seconds time to recall those words. Here the user need to speak those words or can also type those words. If the person have difficulty in typing, he or she can use voice input. And after this we need to submit those words, and we will be forwarded to next game, that is number sequence. And at last we also have like we will be given overall score for this memory game too. And let us see the previous assessment we tried. Here we can see the assessment history. This was tried previously, and we have like 50% of risk score. Here we can also say the trend. This is for questionnaire and this is for memory game. And on dashboard also we can see the total number of assessment. Here you can see, right, we have totally completed 2 assessments, and this is the most recent score of this assessment. And we can also see a suggestion like improving, because in monitoring you saw that previously it was like 50.2% and now it is like 33.3%. The risk score has been decreased, so we are giving like improving. Here you can see we used neural network architecture for building this website, and we are using non-invasive data. That is, normally invasive data is like brain scans or body scans. Non-invasive data is real-time data which is given by the user directly. This is the real-time data input to this website. A user can give any number of tests in this website and can have overall score and can be given performance measures in this. And at last, to conclude, I will say like I would like to say that our website is not predicting that you have not giving a direct message that you are having Alzheimer's. Instead, we are just producing a risk score with which a user can get alert and visit a doctor. But we are not directly saying that you have Alzheimer's. Just we are predicting a risk score, the chance of having Alzheimer's, and the user will be made alert, and he or she will consult a doctor. Our website user interface is simple and user friendly, so that user can use it easily. Thank you.